Today's January 16th, 2025. This is a continuation of earlier video regarding legacy BIOS PC install of void pup 64 in an internal hard drive. So since we had partitioned this hard drive, and this is my external hard drive that's connected, that's recording this video. So after I realized that I installed void pup 64, it'd be helpful to install another puppy Linux. So this is I'm going to be adding bookworm pup 64 to this internal hard drive. So what we're gonna do it is we're gonna take a brief look at the internal hard drive first partition, where we have the menu list that determines which puppy Linux will boot. There is a VO void pup 64 files in here, and we're gonna create another folder here, and we're gonna, it's a bookworm NBK NK new kernel NKB. So okay, so we'll go ahead and create that, and then we'll have to open up my external drive where I have all the ISOs. So we'll go to Linux -key ISO and then bookworm 64 NKB version 2, and I'll put a link where you can go ahead and download this. So this is a newest version with a newer kernel of a bookworm pup 64. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Yes, and then -key again, and then similarly what we did before with the void pup, we're gonna grab all the SFS files 3, 4, and 5 at this time, and then VM Linux and initRD, and then ucode CPIO, since there is ucode CPIO file in here. So we'll go ahead and grab that and then move it over and copy it into this folder here. So that's been copied. So we'll go ahead and close this. Close this. Now, since we've added another puppy, what we need to do is we have to run a grub for DOS again. So F12, setup, grub for DOS bootloader configuration, and then we're going to search only within the hard drive. Search in here, and we're going to make compatible first, menu first, and then OK. And then we're gonna deal with this a little bit. So with the first entry here, VO, we'll just go ahead and simplify it, and with the second one, we'll also simplify it. So bookworm, and then OK, OK, and then we're gonna further modify. So we're going to further modify the menu list in gedit, the Genie editor. So the first one is VO, that's the void pup. Now this is what we just added, and then similar to the VO, what we need to do is go ahead and add psave and then save. So this is we need to make sure that save folder is in the sav partition, which is like a second partition. When I initially used gparted to partition the label, and then within this partition, we made a save folder, SAVE, and that's where we want all the save folders to go into. So, and then we're gonna copy that and then move it over to BK here before prefix, and then make sure there's a space, and then we need to delete the windows. And I find myself I never use advanced menus, so we're just going to have a very concise a bootloader. We can only bootload VO or BK. So since we're gonna more likely get into VK more often than not, we'll just change that default 0, which refers to VO, and we're gonna make that 1. So we're gonna boot into BK as a default, and we'll just leave the time off as it is. So now we're gonna reboot. We're gonna go ahead and save first, so you'll reboot a little faster. So it's saving to the void pup64, whatever changes I made. But I think that will reboot, and then we're gonna, if there is a choice of save or not save, we'll go ahead and save, and then when we reboot, we should automatically get into uh, bookworm and bookworm pup. So we'll go ahead and stop the recording here.